The hair is thicker now and it's really growing.
And do you find that you're losing any at all now?
No,
Or
no.
So that stopped coming out? Yeah.
So you have tried the Western treatment, but
Yeah,
they
as
were
I
no
said,
good.
I started that one first.
Oh, okay.
And that was a 3-month thing what I bought, and within a week I started, my skin was peeling off.
Okay.
And it
The
says
skin
foam,
was scalding.
but first 4-5 days the foam came out, but then afterwards it was just a liquid. And when I went and complained, then they said that, oh, you must not be using it properly. I said, I don't care, but this is what it is,
So the minuscule or the
Yeah, I mean that's what I was thinking. I said if the skin on my finger is peeling off, what will be the state of my scalp?
Yeah.
I mean, if the treatment is going on, you continue with it, and maybe later on, I think you have to do the 8-month treatment. After the 8-month treatment, you see how the benefits are and how much it's affecting you and things like that. And then accordingly, then they have other programs where you can go, maintenance, where you can just keep on maintaining, just don't have to come every time, maybe once a week, like that. So there are programs what they can then suggest you. So you just go down a bit on that, but make sure that you have to continue. And that's what I feel.
Does your hair feel stronger now?
Yes.
Stronger?
Yes.